welcome back to the Double Bogey Bass channel. If you're new here, my name is Jeremy. I like to fish and I like to golf and I like to take you guys along for both of those. So if you like them both, hey, you found the right channel. If you're only into one, don't care about the other, that's all right. Stick around and skip the one you don't like. Totally fine with that. This morning we're out on the California Delta and it's an absolutely gorgeous morning out here right now. Flat, calm conditions, a little bit of fog on the water. It's beautiful out here. We're gonna try catching fish this morning with using only top water baits. If we struggle along, we might change it up, but that's the goal today, only top water. Last time I was out here, I caught my first Delta frog fish and man, that was addictive. I'm looking to catch a couple more out here, so we'll take you guys along for that. Hopefully it's a good day. It's setting up nice, so let's get at it, man. If you like the video, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and leave me some comments down below. All right, let's have a good day. Thank you. This is the highest that I have seen the tide since I've been coming out here to this launch. So this is gonna be some good fishing for a while. All right, let's get this first fish out of the way. Beautiful morning out here. Just looks like some prime topwater conditions. That's why I figured we'd have a good day out here throwing nothing but topwater. We got a lot of different things tied on, and hoping to catch a fish on each one. That would be nice. Right now I'm just throwing a Chopo, and I'm gonna switch over to the frog when I find spots that I want to slow down and work a little slower. Well, that caught me by surprise. I knew that was gonna happen, but I didn't really care. It was just a little striper. I didn't want to get him in the net. That was a cluster if I ever saw one. Thing hit right at the boat. Wasn't really hooked well. I didn't want him flopping around in the boat. Well, I'll count it though. First fish of the day. Just a little one. Yeah, I'm not even gonna measure him. He's not gonna go. 12. Thanks, bud. Buzzbait wasn't really working, so we're gonna try this Wakebait, the Spro BBZ1 rat. Wait till you see the size of the fish that just ate that. Ah, well, I got a bite on it. Hey, that's the first action we've had in a while. So that was fun, though. You nailed it. All right, well, it hasn't exactly gone the way that I've wanted it to. And that happens sometimes. So we're just gonna kind of adjust on the fly. We're still gonna throw topwater around for the majority of the day, but I have tied on a couple of my confidence baits to put a few fish in the boat. I tied on a Cinco and I tied on a fluke because the top water bite has been slow. Couldn't refrain from throwing the Cinco. There's a fish. Oh, this is a really good fish. Woo! Stay on, buddy. Stay on. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. This is why I just can't come out here and not throw a Cinco. Look at that buddy there. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Alright, let's see what this thing measures up at. 17. Let's see what this guy weighs. Alright, 2 pounds 14 ounces, almost 3 pounds. Alright, let's let this guy go. Thanks, bud. Well, you know, you start out with a plan. Doesn't always go the way you wanted. I wanted to catch fish on top water out here all day, but I'm not gonna complain about catching a 3-pounder on a Cinco. There's another fish. Another. That's a little guy. He was fighting pretty hard though. Alright, just another one on the Cinco. Oh, these guys out here are so aggressive. That guy came airborne out of the water. Well, definitely picked up on a Cinco bite. I didn't want to have to resort to it, but it is what it is. If you ever want to get somebody started in bass fishing, you're looking for a lure that's going to catch fish, just throw on a Wacky Cinco. It's the easiest thing in the world to use, and it just flat out catches fish. From all sizes too, little to big. That's a fun bite. This little fish hitting this big old rat bait. Man, look at that. He buried those hooks in him. Thanks for the fight. That was a fun bite. Alright, well, they're still willing to hit the top water. That is a fun bite. Oh, I've had so many camera issues today. I just caught one little guy, kind of just pitching this thing around on a little light pitching and punching setup. It's not heavy enough to go through any of these heavy mats, but I can work the outer edges of them. And I just picked up a little fish on it, and I mean like little fish, but I guess the camera wasn't working. Just had another one right there. Look at that big old carp right there. Oh, that guy was about 30-40 pounds. Alright, well, didn't have the camera going, but I just sight casted this guy right here. It's not a bad little fish. Saw him sitting down there. dropped the Senko right in front of him, and he wasn't shy. I think he's keeper size. I think he's 12 inches. Let's see. Yep. Give him to touch right at 12. Touch him there. Thanks, bud. Just another little guy. There's another one on the rat. This one almost got off. Can't believe these little ones are what I'm catching on this rat. They're hungry. They got a big appetite. Thanks, bud. Extra little jump. Right now I'm just doing a 1-2 combo between this rat and this Senko. Man, this guy right here fought so much harder than his size. This fish fought so hard. 10.5-inch fish fought like a 4-pounder. All right. That was peel and drag, and he's 10.5 inches long. All right, well, that's gonna wrap up the day. Had a couple decent fish, and had to kind of abandon my top water only challenge. But I did use some topwater baits pretty much all day, but I did have to resort to going to the old reliable Senko because the bite got a little tough out here, a little tougher than I was expecting, so that's all right. We still enjoyed it, still had a good day, still caught decent numbers out here, and absolutely gorgeous day out here again on the water. So thanks for coming along. Thanks for joining me on these videos. Remember to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. We're almost to 1,000. Maybe by the time this video comes out, I'll actually be at 1,000. So I appreciate all the support, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks, guys.